everyone, welcome back. It's time to do some more bottle flipping. Oh! First try! Let's go! Yeah. Oh, sorry about the noise. There's just a train going along the train tracks. It's really loud. See, I'm actually at the park with my grandma of Henderson. Can you hear me? Oh my gosh, that train is loud. Okay, well, let's get right into it. Oh, that almost capped. See the bottle. Flip the bottle. Hangman. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. See my boys? What? Oh, someone's flying a kite. My grandma called me. Oh yeah, I'm with my grandma. She has an apartment. Oh yes. When he starts flying, I can do that. Can I try it?
Well, he just wanted you to look at it. I just wanted to show you what he found.
So I'm gonna try and do it over the wrist then. Come on, Grandma's talking to me. Hold on. Over the wrist. Hold on. Something got in my eye, that little lane. Oh! Oh, yes! Yes! I did it! Yes! So, are you trying to do nice clothes now? Answer. Let's try it again. This first time I was practicing. Oh! Yes! Okay, I think that's enough for today. See ya!